do it, baby cat. Go. Woo! Go! 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 You're not gonna go to the waterfall?
I can't feel.
Okay.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap.
You gonna go to the waterfall with Clyde?
That is freezing. It's not as cold as the first time.
Now that you're cold, go in again. It'll probably be easier, right?
I'm gonna dunk because I didn't put my head in that time.
Yeah, you didn't. Go dunk your head. Go, Max. Go. Go, 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 go. Is it better the second time?
Is it salt water?
No, it's fresh.
So you can drink it? You wouldn't though.
You could drink that, I think. It's clean.